If you're new to investing and want to understand how today's biggest digital businesses actually make money, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, we'll explore 5 powerful digital business models that drive companies like Netflix, Amazon, and Google, and show you how this knowledge can help you make smarter investment decisions. What is a digital business model? A digital business model is a strategic framework that defines how a company operating in the digital space creates value for its customers, delivers that value efficiently, and captures profit in return, primarily through the use of internet technologies, digital platforms, and data. Unlike traditional business models that rely on physical products or face-to-face interactions, digital business models leverage online channels, automation, and scalable technology infrastructures to reach wider audiences, reduce costs, and enable continuous innovation. These models are at the core of businesses like Amazon, Netflix, Uber, and Spotify, which have revolutionized industries by offering convenient, data-driven, and user-centric solutions via apps, websites, and cloud-based services. It answers 3 questions. What do they sell? Who's buying it? How do they make money from it? And knowing this is super important for investors, because if you understand how a business earns money, you can make better decisions about where to invest. Types of digital business models. Let's go over 5 common digital business models. With examples you'll recognize. 1. Subscription model. Think Netflix, Spotify, Canva, Pro. The subscription model is one of the most popular and sustainable digital business models today. In this model, customers pay a recurring fee, monthly, quarterly, or yearly, to access a product or service. Instead of a one-time purchase, users continue paying as long as they find value in the offering. This model is widely used in streaming platforms, software-as-a-service SaaS products, and even fitness and education apps. For investors, the main advantage is predictable and recurring revenue, which makes financial forecasting more accurate and stable. Investors should also assess the churn rate, how many users cancel, and the customer lifetime value, CLV. A loyal subscriber base with low churn and high engagement is a strong indicator of long-term growth potential. 2. Freemium model. Think Dropbox, Zoom, Duolingo. The freemium model combines the words free and premium. It offers users a basic version of a product or service at no cost, with the option to upgrade to a paid plan for advanced features, more storage, or better functionality. This approach helps companies attract a large user base quickly, lower customer acquisition costs, and build trust before asking for payment. It's especially common in software, apps, and cloud-based platforms. For investors, key metrics to watch include the conversion rate, the percentage of free users who become paying customers, user retention, and engagement levels. A high conversion rate indicates strong product value and growth potential. Also, look at how efficiently the company turns free users into revenue through upselling and added services. 3. Platform model. Think Amazon, Uber, Airbnb. The platform model works by creating a digital space where 2 or more user groups, usually buyers and sellers, can connect and interact. These businesses don't typically own the products or services being exchanged. Instead, they provide the infrastructure, tools, and trust system that make the exchange possible. For example, Uber connects drivers with passengers, and Airbnb connects travelers with property owners. Platforms earn money through commissions, listing fees, or service charges. For investors, the real strength of a platform lies in network effects. As more users join, the value of the platform increases for everyone. Key indicators include user growth, transaction volume, and engagement rates. A successful platform scales quickly with relatively low costs, making it attractive for long-term investment. 4th, e-commerce model. Think Shopify, Shine, Etsy. The e-commerce model involves selling physical or digital goods directly to consumers through online platforms. Businesses using this model either manage their own inventory or provide marketplaces for third-party sellers. For instance, Shopify allows merchants to build their own online stores. Shein sells fast fashion directly to consumers, and Etsy enables small creators to reach a global audience. This model is highly scalable and benefits from the growing trend of online shopping. For investors, key metrics include profit margins, customer acquisition costs, CAC, repeat purchase rates, and logistics efficiency. Strong e-commerce companies usually have effective supply chains, high customer loyalty, and the ability to scale quickly without significant increases in cost. Watch for innovation in delivery, personalization, and mobile shopping. 5. Ad-based model. Think Google, Facebook, YouTube. The ad-based model provides users with free access to content, services, or platforms while generating revenue by displaying advertisements. Companies using this model monetize user attention, selling ad space to businesses that want to reach targeted audiences. The more time users spend on the platform and the more data the platform collects, the more valuable its advertising inventory becomes. Google earns from search and display ads, Facebook from personalized social ads, and YouTube through video ads. For investors, key performance indicators include user engagement, time spent on the platform, monthly active users, ad revenue growth, and data privacy compliance. Successful ad-based businesses have large, loyal audiences and sophisticated data analytics that help advertisers achieve high return on investment. Why this matters to new investors? Okay, now you're thinking, cool, but how does this help me invest? Here's how. You can spot sustainable companies, ones that are built on strong, scalable models. You can understand growth potential, like if a freemium app is converting lots of users to paid. You avoid hype and invest based on how the business really works, not just trends. Example. Which would you invest in? Let's say you have two choices. Company A sells digital art courses with a one-time fee. Company B has a monthly subscription for creative tutorials and tools. Company A gets money once per customer. Company B gets paid every month, possibly for years. Understanding digital business models gives you a clear edge as a beginner investor, because when you know how a company makes money, you can invest with confidence, not guesswork. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more beginner-friendly guides on digital business and smart investing. Hit the bell icon so you never miss a smart start.